Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Trust Wallet on Treasure Fun step by step. Open Treasure Fun, tap Connect Wallet, choose Trust Wallet, and approve the connection prompts on your device. Make sure you have your recovery phrase secure and use a strong password for app locking. Double-check the contract address when authorizing token approvals to avoid scams. If you see unfamiliar requests, cancel and verify on official channels before proceeding. Before connecting, update Trust Wallet to the latest version and back up your recovery phrase in a safe place. Ensure you have small test funds like for gas and confirm network settings match Treasure Fund's chain. Disable suspicious D apps and clear cache if needed. Keep your seed phrase offline and never share it with anyone, even if a prompt looks legitimate. This reduces risk and speeds troubleshooting. You're ready after these steps. Start on Treasure Fund's Connect page and select Connect Wallet, then choose Wallet Connect if Trust Wallet is not listed. Scan the QR code or open the Trust Wallet app, tap Settings then Wallet Connect, and follow prompts to pair. Approve only requested permissions and review the exact contract address before confirming any signatures. After connection, test with a small action like a token view or claim to verify everything works and monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.